first virtue is serenity. That is calmness. Calmness of your mind. Peacefulness of your mind. शांति जो हम लोग बोलते हैं हिंदी में, आपके माइंड मन की शांति, राइट, एंड एक्सेप्टेंस. फर्स्ट लाइन अगर आप सुनेंगे उसमें ग्रैंड विद द सेरेनिटी टू एक्सेप्ट द थिंग्स आई कैन नॉट चेंज. सेरेनिटी, पीसफुल माइंड से मैं एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूं कि मैं ये सिचुएशन को चेंज नहीं कर सकता. राइट, सो यू आर letting go of the things which is beyond your control. You are not trying to control those things because you know you cannot control. You're letting it go. Right. Second line says courage to change the things which I can. जब आप courage मांग रहे हो, तो of course you know that you will be able to control these things. You know you have that energy, that is in your hand. Courage, आपको वो ताकत चाहिए कि yes, मैं ये चीज को चेंज कर सकता हूँ, मैं इस सिचुएशन को चेंज कर सकता हूँ मेरे हार्ड वर्क से, मेरे इंटेलिजेंस से, मेरे थॉट प्रोसेस से. And of course the last is, which is wisdom, to know the difference between the two. विजडम, मुझे इतनी इंटेलिजेंस है मेरे पास कि मैं जानता हूं कि मैं इन दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस क्या है. अगर आपको ये चारों चीज आपको पता है, अगेन सेरेनिटी, एक्सेप्टेंस, करेज एंड विजडम. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस स्ट्रेस वर्ड डज नॉट मीन एनीथिंग टू यू, बिकॉज यू नो हम लोग स्ट्रेस आउट कब होते हैं? जब हमें पता है हमारा दिमाग स्क्वीज आउट हो रहा होता है, हमें पता है कि हम लोग ये चीज नहीं कर सकते, ये हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, बट हम उस चीज को कंट्रोल करना चाहते हैं. Isn't it? We want to control something which is beyond our control. We know we cannot change the situation. Pandemic में हम लोग we all were stressed out. At some point of time, yes, we all were stressed out because the situation was not in our hands. Was beyond our control. और beyond control भी काफी हद तक हमने ही बनाई थी. तो वहां पे आपको स्ट्रेस है. अगर पेंडेमिक अभी, like we all are vaccinated, so somewhere we are relaxed. We know जैसे vaccination आया, things are in our control. Now here we are asking for the courage. So जहां आपको ये दो डिफरेंस समझ में आता है कि कहाँ पे आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हो सिचुएशन को, कहाँ पे नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकते, तो ये वर्ड आपको छू के भी नहीं जाएगा. जहां पे आप कुछ चीजों को कंट्रोल करने के लिए, person is trying to control, that's why this is all squeezed up. So this is what is making you stressed. You see this man, इतनी सारी again books है यहाँ पे. What is his thinking? What is the process here? He knows he has to do this work, but उससे पहले दिमाग में stress है. The stress can be defined as our mental, physical, emotional, behavioral reactions to any perceived demands or threats. Then हमारा जो reaction है, this is most important, behavioral reactions to some kind of situation which we think, perceive. We are thinking कि हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, we won't be able to fulfill this. Yes, we again यहाँ पे भी आपको समझना चाहिए क्या चीज आपके कंट्रोल में है, क्या चीज नहीं है, और क्या सोल्यूशन आ सकता है जो चीज आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं. So this is our mental, physical, emotional reactions to and behavioral reactions to a perceived demand situation. Here, the person is stressed out because he thinks it is his reaction to a situation wherein he thinks, yes, maybe I might not be able to complete this work by end of the day. But if we again plan up properly, this work can be done smoothly. If you again, अगर आपका दिमाग शांत है, अगर आप शांति से सोचेंगे, तो अपने आप सॉल्यूशंस आते हैं. वहीं आपने कई बार आपने देखोगे, आप जब हाइपर हो गए, यू आर एंग्री, यू आर हाइपर, यू आर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, यू आर स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, सो you don't get ideas, you don't get solutions. But as soon as you just sit down, relax, meditate, just think, and that time a lot of solutions and ideas keep on coming into your mind. सो ये स्ट्रेस भी हमारे खुद का ही दिया हुआ है, हमारे दिमाग की उपज है। मैं अपनी सब एवरीथिंग इज इन आवर थॉट प्रोसेस। एक बोलते हैं ना, when you know the things are and you cannot control the things, so why you have to worry? You can't control, na? And when you know that you can control the things, again why to worry? Because you know it, you will be able to do it. तो वरी शब्द तो हटाना ही नहीं चाहिए ना। दोनों सिचुएशन में why worry? Let it go. Then the things which you cannot do, let it go. Don't stress on that. And if you know that yes, you can control it, make efforts instead of stressing yourself, instead of worrying. Take control, take charge, and go ahead with your ideas, with your de-stress and calm mind. The things you will be always successful. Again, इसमें एक बहुत ही I have a real life situation of my friend. I'll just tell you about this situation of my friend. Whereas now, of course, he's in Africa. He's CEO of a multinational company out there. So, but before that, like when he did his commerce from Delhi, and again, he's a army officer's child, son. So we were classmates and all. So he was discussing one day about his struggle. Like we met after a long time, and then we were discussing, and he said, Praveen, like my official name is Praveen. So he said, Praveen, there was a time when I was really stressed out because I had completed my BA, this commerce, and I really wanted to become, and I wanted to work. And that time was a time when he was struggling hard into his life. And he says, I used to walk down. I never take rickshaw also. I was saving the rickshaw money. I used to walk a kilometer to reach to the offices for my interviews and all. And after struggling for almost 1 year, he struck up a job. He got a job. Again, this person was again a retired army officer. And he said, there I got a job. And I was so happy because this person told me, please, you come tomorrow and collect your resume. Sorry, offer letter. आप कल आके अपना offer letter ले जाओ. So he was so happy. He said, I called up he's from Uttarakhand. He called up his family and all, told कि मेरे को job मिल गई है, इतना struggle के बाद ठीक है, I'm so happy and कल से मैं job join कर. So next day when he went to the office, again the boss called him and said कि the job is yours. मैं तुम्हें job देने से मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, पर जैसे तुम the day after, soon after you left, a Jawan came over there. Jawan as an ex-army man came, and he has a daughter to marry off, and he was in requirement of this job. So I didn't offer him job. I just told him that I will think about it and let you know. Now the ball is in your court. आप बताओ कि अगर आप मना भी करोगे तो मैं उसको जॉब नहीं दूंगा, तो जॉब will be yours. But this person is in need of job, so इसलिए मैं आपको choice दे रहा हूँ. So as a person, as concise says, कि of course, when he told कि since you are young, तो आपको तो कहीं पे भी job मिल जाएगा. The only thing is, this man is a retired person, and of course, he will have difficulty in getting the job. अगर आपसे कोई कह दे तो आप मना तो नहीं कर. But again, 1 साल की मेहनत के बाद में he got this job. It was such an important job for him. So he was aghast, and then of course थोड़ा सा उसके करने के बाद he said, okay fine sir, of course I understand the situation, and you can give the job to him. And he took up his papers and left. He told me उस time situation ऐसा था कि of course मेरा situation ऐसा था कि मैं उसको मना नहीं कर पाया. But then when I came out of the office, I was thinking where I am lacking, why I am not getting the perfect job which I want. Then he said कि मैं बैठा पहले हमें just frustrated हो रहा था, देख रहा था सब कुछ. Then I sat in a peaceful atmosphere. I just changed my thought process, and I thought कि कहाँ मैं lack कर रहा हूँ, कहाँ मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, wherein as soon as I do this, I should be getting a job. Then he said कि ठीक है, मैंने BCom में किया, so of course मुझे सिर्फ BCom में इतना अच्छा job नहीं, तो why not go for a CA? And he did his CA after that. CA करने के बाद, of course, only a couple of years in India, and then he was in Dubai and all. Like he was working with all multinational companies. And now look at the scenario. He's CEO of multinational company in Africa. So this is the situation. He understood, he thought, he changed his thought process. Again, he didn't stress out because वो एक साल already stress में था. वो उस टाइम उसने सोचा नहीं कि उसे अगर वो 1 year that time itself he must have thought of why not go for a CA instead of look. He might not have lost that 1 year as well. But वो time उसने वो lose किया, ठीक है. But then he realized, he assessed the situation. Then he realized what is beyond his control. Again, he knew it. He let go of the situation because he knew the situation is not in his control. The situation wherein, of course, वो job satisfied नहीं होता, so that situation was not in his control. So that he let it go. And then he thought, why not I do something which is in my control? And then he took up the step. So there was courage to control the things which I can. And then he realized the wisdom. Difference was realized here, and then he went ahead, and of course, now he's successful. So you need to analyze the things to de-stress yourself. So why do we stress out? Again, abhi maine aapko bataya, because we perceive the situation as dangerous, difficult, or painful. This is the main reason which we say, think okay fine, बहुत difficult है, बहुत dangerous है, हमारे control के बाहर है और हमारे पास कोई resources ही नहीं cope up करने के लिए. We don't have resources. कोई है ही नहीं हमारा साथ देने के लिए. हम लोग we just go into the gloom, depression में चले जाना. क्यों? Why not search for the solutions? Why don't search for the resources? आपने एक ad देखा होगा. I mean, this ad was very much during pandemic. I used to see this ad. This ad, see as in, it was of course telecast on all the channels during your, even when you're watching a movie with a big ad. This man comes back home, the wife is on family way. That means she was expecting. They were going to have extend a new member into the family in a couple of months. So she was shown as an expected, the lady on a family way, and this man comes home, he's very depressed, he just keeps the things on the table. One look on her husband, the wife understands, she understood, okay, he's in problem. So she goes and asks her, ask him, what is the problem? So he says, retrenchment is going on into my office, and through my sources, I came to know even my name is there. So the person is stressed out. बहुत टेंशन में है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको पता है यहाँ पे retrenchment चल रहा है. Wife family way में couple of months he would be having a new member into the family from where he would be earning. कहाँ से पैसा आएगा खर्चे के लिए? So that's why he's stressed out. And because you know कि अभी उसका नाम भी retrenchment list में. So wife smiles and says, I know most of you must have seen this ad. Smiles and says that don't worry, as it is, it's something, a boon in disguise. हम लोग पहले भी startup को सोच रहे थे ना. So why don't we go for the startup? And of course, this is about a life insurance company at HDFC Life Insurance, wherein they go and again they go for the loans and all. So yeah, ad दिखा. Then they show that this person started his own startup. He smiled because his wife has given him courage, and later on they grow old and they have multiple showrooms of their interior decorations. So they believed that they have the resources. They didn't say that they don't have the resources. They believed in their resources and went ahead. So the lady did not perceive the situation. Took the situation as dangerous, difficult, and painful. Whereas wife thought about it in a very cool way. So you have to, even if you have a difficult situation, you need to have that cool mind. And here I always like to give my example as well. I also believed in my resources. See, last year, it was ups and downs for everyone. Same was for me. Even I had my own startup last year in Feb. And that time my husband was posted in Vizag. Visakhapatnam. And I just opened up my startup and just handed over to my staff and went back to Vizag because since my son was having his board exams, so I had to be there. And then we soon after, like I landed in as soon as his exam was over, on 20th of March, I landed in Delhi, and you know what was the scenario that time. 22nd was Bharat Bandh, and 24th it was declared lockdown. So you understand? Can you understand? A newly set up. And again, I was not even able to come to my uh, office. For 4 5 months, I was away from my new startup. I was not even able to come to this place. So that was a situation again, tensed out, stressed out. And then I thought of the support system. I wanted to talk to somebody about my feelings and experience. I really wanted to tell them what I'm going through, because that was a time wherein seriously I was little, becoming hopeless. Maybe things might not be into my favor, because that time was a time wherein there was no, we didn't even know when we'll be having the upliftment of lockdown. And then I spoke to my different people, the resources I say. I spoke to the person, and of course, when I have given up on everything in May end, I sent a message to one of my, again, extended family and very close to us, and then I sent a message to her. And June first week, I got a call from her and said, I need to contact Shekhar sir. And I just contacted Shekhar sir, and this is full 1 year. I am sitting over here with you all. So this was just, I found this a support system into her. And of course, she came out with that support. She came out with the solution for my problems. And here I am with you, one whole year. So this is what you need to do. You also need to find out the support system. The man who came back home, the support system was his wife. For me, the support system was, of course, my this relative. I just cannot take her name on this platform. Yes, she was, again, an angel for me when she came into she was always there in my life, of course. But this is the solution she brought to me is, of course, changed my whole thing. I have been trainer throughout, but online training was one thing which I came into for the last 1 year. I have been offline trainer. So this is a thing. You just need to come out with your feeling. You need to, and you know who will be able to help you out. In back of your mind, you have that thing. You know who is a person who would be coming out to help you. You just need to find out the answer. If you are in distress, if you are into some problem. So this is what is most important for you. Again, change your attitude. You need to find other ways to think about stressful situation. That is, life is 10%. See, what is happening to us 10%, how we are reacting to is 90%. वो मेरे पास सिचुएशन थी वो सिर्फ 10% था. जैसे मैं उससे रिएक्ट कर रही हूँ, वो मेरा पूरा एटीट्यूड. वो मेरी, अगर if I have been sulking sitting at home, of course the things would have been very bad for me. But if I have come out with the solutions, my reaction gave me that 90% of success. So this is what you have to do. You have your attitude, your reaction changes your situation. So you also need to change your attitude. Don't sulk when you have the stressful situation. Find out the solution so that you can come back with a bang. Isn't it? So you have to be again realistic. This is one when I was telling about the time management, that time also I told you have to be realistic. You know what is your goal and how much you can achieve. I always say, please don't compare yourself with others. As soon as you start comparing with others, what happens is you start having the depression. क्योंकि आपको लगता है वो खुश है. Social media पे, Facebook, oh, the happy photographs. But do you know what is going behind those happy photographs? The smiling and laughing photographs. You are not aware of it. So stop comparison. Nobody is so happy, nobody is so sad. It's same situation in every household. A little bit of ups and downs, that's it. So you need to have that realistic attitude towards yourself. So you need to know how much you can deal with the situation. You know how much you can give for a particular situation. See, I always say, when we know we have that energy of 50% I can give to this job. Extend yourself only 20% more. Don't say, okay, don't say कि मैं 50% extend करके 100% में काम कर लूंगा. नहीं, आप अपने आप को exert कर रहे हैं, आप अपने आप को stress दे रहे हैं. आपका अगेन सिनेरियो है कि आप 20% एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं अपने आप को. सो जस्ट 20% आपको एक्सटेंड करना है. एंड व्हेन यू आर रियलिस्टिक अबाउट योरसेल्फ, देन ऑफ कोर्स you are giving a realistic expectations to others as well about yourself. You need to know about how much the other person can do, how much you can do for the other person. Let them also realize that कि आप ये काम कर सकते हैं, आप उसके beyond आपको देने से कोई भी काम expectations करने से पहले they should be thinking twice. Though we always say we should be ready for each and every challenge, yes, we should be ready for each and every challenge. We should be learning each and everything. But then I'm again from a commerce background. If you say no, I have to study physics and all, do you think I will be able to study? I will be able to study fine, but I'm going to take time, more time, which a science person can do, the science graduate can do. I won't be able to do that, and that efficiently and effectively, which he is going to do. Same way, the things which I will be able to do, a science graduate will not be able to do it that efficiently and effectively. So you have to be realistic कि ये situation में मैं कर सकती हूँ, इस situation में नहीं कर सकता हूँ, and that expectation. When you know about yourself properly, of course you are showing that to others as well. That don't stop expecting miracles. Miracles, I say miracles do happen, but they happen gradually. They don't happen in an instant, right? So this is what I have just told you. Get organized, be planned. Like poor planning, of course, leads to frustrated and thing. You need to plan up properly, make a schedule, establish your priorities. Very important factor into our life. Priorities बहुत जरूरी है हमारे. We have to plan up. We have to work according to our priority, which is most priority. Take breaks. Give yourself me time. This is very important. In fact, I remember my brother saying he was working now. He's in a different company. He was working with a Japanese company, and he used to visit Japan on his official tours. So first time he went there, he said like there, he said the people work like machines. It's like when he boarded even this metro. He said that then there also in metro, the people were taking a nap time. Very safe. Everything is so safe. Even the small children they board the metro and to school. Like हम लोग अपने बच्चों को अकेले, especially second, third standard के बच्चों को metro में नहीं भेज सकते हैं school में, isn't it? But there, even second standard, third standard child is going on his own or her own to this schools and taking metro. So he says कि वहाँ पे when office में they had that me time system wherein alarm बजता था और alarm बजने पे whoever was doing whatever work they were doing, they used to stop that work and take a nap. So वो उनका 5-10 मिनट का उनका me time जो था वो alarm बजते ही वो जैसे hooter बज रहा है, hooter बज के they all used to put their head down, and then as soon as again the hooter बजता था, they used to be up again and back to work. So is it this kind of a culture? I was surprised when I saw this kind of culture. But then this is required because there people are working non-stop. आपका मशीनरी की तरह काम कर रहे हो, तो मशीन को भी कहते हैं ना एक आराम की जरूरत है. आप 24 घंटे मशीन से काम नहीं करवा सकते. Can you do that? Even also oiling, greasing or servicing की requirement too. Same way, even our body requires that kind of me time breaks for us. You need to take short breaks, take a nap. If it's possible, do take a nap. Take good care of yourself. You need to have, you need to eat properly. You need to eat a proper rest. You need to have proper routine, because a healthy body is healthy man. बचपन में आप सबने भी सुना होगा ना, early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. It's not only man, it's woman as well. आपको जल्दी, पहले के लोग भी, हमारे पूर्वज भी करते थे कि अपना जल्दी सोना है, जल्दी उठना है, और पूरा अच्छे से पूरा दिन अच्छे से रहते हैं, बिकॉज योर थॉट प्रोसेस अगेन इज वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली. आपकी नींद पूरा, आप जिस दिन कम सोते हैं, आप देखिए सुबह उठेंगे आप फ्रस्ट्रेटेड उठते हैं, यू आर नॉट इन अ प्रॉपर फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड, बिकॉज आपकी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है, यू आर ऑल होल डे यू आर लिटिल ड्राउजी, योर माइंड इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपर. But if you eat properly, again, आप junk food खाइए. We doctors also say when you eat a lot of junk food, what happens? You become hyperactive. Hormones start changing. तो आपको वो सब अवॉइड करना. ईट हेल्दी फूड. क्यों हमारा सब लोग आज का जो लाइफ स्पैन है, आज के जो यंगस्टर्स का लाइफ स्पैन है, वो हमारे पहले जो इवन एंसेस्टर्स के लाइफ स्पैन से कम है. Leave aside the medical facility. I'm talking about the healthy body. You all know what I'm talking about. They are more healthier and they live longer. We are more into healthy lives, unhealthy lifestyle. You know what is we are more on medicines. Why to go for iron medicine when you have iron into your fruits and vegetables? So you need to relax more. You just need to have proper sleep. And this is what more required, especially when you're stressed out, because stress out होने पे क्या होता है generally, when you're stressed out, okay, you'll be pictures में, especially movies में क्या दिखाते थे, she started eating a tub of ice cream. Why to have those unhealthy habits when you're stressed out? और या फिर कुछ लोग सो ही नहीं पाते हैं, कुछ लोग खाना कम है तो कुछ लोग खाना ज्यादा खाते हैं. Keep on hearing, मैं stressed होता तो मैंने ज्यादा खाना खा लिया. Because you're thinking something, it's a thought process. If you know you're stressed out, you're always thinking, you are not thinking properly, your thoughts are not channelized. That's why you're doing all these things. But if your thoughts are channelized, you won't be doing all these things. You'll be thinking rationally. So again, यहाँ पे मैं फिर से वही बोलूंगी, when the things are not into your control, why to worry? And when things are in your control, then again, why you need to worry? So this worry is what is giving us stress. So again, say no to situation which is now you can't do. Why you have to say yes? मैंने time management भी कहा था, क्यों yes बोलना है? जो नहीं कर सकते आप काम, उसको मना कीजिए. मना आप directly मना नहीं कर सकते, politely मना कीजिए. You know how to do it. Because when you are, see, if you are always saying yes to every request and opportunity, that means you are hampering yourself. You are even your body and mind is hampered. आप suppose आप कुछ काम करें, urgently कोई काम आए, which you know you can delegate also, you can ask your subordinate to do it, you can ask somebody else to do it. So why to accept in your plate? Why don't you share it with others? Because if you share it, again, you will be having a good rapport with everyone, plus you will be also de-stressed. So try, this is why I said delegate your work to, and just teach your support. Why to have everything into your control? Why not open your fist and let everybody share the fruits of your efforts? And when they are even coming up as a team, they would also be coming up with more ideas. So just start saying no. हम females को तो हम लोग बोलते हैं, ladies को हम लोग no बोल ही नहीं पाते हैं. But I have seen most of the ladies, they come up with a lot of solutions. I mean, just a situation. I mean, if somebody's relative coming to your place and you have a lot of work to do, you cannot say no to the person, right? So one of the ladies, she had come to my home, and we were just discussing, as ladies gossip, we were discussing, yaar, बहुत काम होता है, कभी-कभी इतना सब आ जाते हैं, we are not able to do anything. So she says, I have come up with a solution. Whenever somebody says that मैं आ रही हूँ and आ रहा हूँ, जो भी है, so she says, yeah, please, most welcome. You are most welcome to our home, and since I'll be doing this, तो अच्छा है, अगर आप आओगे तो मेरे को भी आसानी हो जाएगी. You'll be cooking for us as well. So please help yourself. The kitchen is all yours, and I'll be busy with this. So this is one, again, she's welcomed the guest again and given a kind of authority wherein this is your home. Please come and feel free to cook and serve as us as well. So later on, of course, वो सब थोड़ा delay होना start किया and expectations लोगों की कम हो गई. तो this is a kind of, ठीक है, ये घर का बात है. Similarly, आपको ऑफिस में भी आपको यही फॉर्मूला अपनाना है. You know how to say no, or you don't need to say no. You can delegate as well. Regular exercises is must for you to do it. Of course, आपका healthy body, morning walks, whatever is gym, जितना करोगे healthy body रहेगा उतना आपका mind भी healthy रहेगा. More functions better. Hobby, take up an hobby. See, balanced lifestyle के लिए you need to pick up a hobby. Like I have a hobby of oil painting. Whenever I'm like, no, I have a free mind. Why to necessarily go into something or other? Why not utilize your time into paintings and all? अभी I was thinking कि मैं profession भी अपना लेती painting. This is kind of again the second thought, but yes, because I have been painting and giving it to my it's kind of a gift. I give it to my friends and relative. Just paint something and give it to them as a gift. So it's like, a kind of they also appreciate that gift, and even I feel happy when my things are going to my relatives and friends. This is again, whatever makes you peaceful, whatever gives you happiness, go for it. After ambition bhi jo hota hai, ambition should not stress you. It should give you happiness and joy. अगर आपका एम्बिशन आपको स्ट्रेस दे रहा है तो वो आपका एम्बिशन है ही नहीं. अगर वो आपका एम्बिशन आपको खुशियां दे रहा है, दैट मींस दैट इज राइट एम्बिशन फॉर यू. वो राइट वर्क है आपके लिए. पर जहां आपका एम्बिशन आपको जो काम गोल है आपको स्ट्रेस आउट कर रहा है, तो वो आपको गोल नहीं, बिकॉज़ देयर यू आर फीलिंग स्ट्रेस्ड आउट. You will not be able to focus on that work. So whenever we say we adopt a work, always go which work is more suitable or which makes you more happier. You need to slow down. You know your limits. You know how much your body can perform in a day. I just told you, please, 20% only you can stretch yourself, not beyond that, because when you stretch beyond that, you will not be able to function properly. You will be stressed out. और स्ट्रेस आप सिर्फ अपने पास नहीं, आपके आसपास भी आप उसको भेज रहे हैं. Even at home also, you'll go frustrated, you'll be taking out the stress on your family as well. आपके वर्क में वो स्ट्रेस नजर आएगा. You will not be able to perform efficiently. So you have to be realistic for how much you can do. आप 4 घंटा काम कर सकते हैं, 6 घंटे उसको आप एक्सटेंड कर सकते, 2 घंटा और एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. उसके बियॉन्ड अगर आप बोलोगे नहीं मैं 8-9 घंटे उसी चीज पे काम करना है, आफ्टर अ व्हाइल आप खुद देखिए आपका जो एफर्ट्स हैं वो थोड़े कम होते जाएंगे. आप उतना माइंड, बिकॉज आपकी बॉडी थक गई है, आपका माइंड थक चुका है. So you need to monitor yourself. You need to know how much you can work at a time and how can you go beyond that. Because again, अगर आप अपने आप को रश करते हो, अपने आप को ज़्यादा exert करते हो, तो you will be giving poor performance. And poor performance leads to added stress, because of course you will not be making your boss happy. Even if you are your own boss, you will not be happy with your work. Like we know when you have a startup, you are working 24/7. Your mind is working 24/7. But that doesn't mean that you have to say, because if you take up the things which is you're passionate about, which you're happy about, that when you're thinking about that work, going to give you happiness. That's why we say whenever you take up an ambition, that has to bring you joy, happiness, passion, not your stress. So suggestion for reducing stress again is you need to laugh, humor. आपने अभी pandemic में I like 2-3 महीने से I was not hearing that thing into my park. Like my society में we have a park. Morning में सब morning yoga करते हैं, and then the laughing therapy is there. They laugh loudly for some time. So that is again a kind of yoga for you. और आपने देखा होगा इसमें न्यूज में भी आया था, आई थिंक लास्ट मंथ, ऑनलाइन योगा भी हो गए, wherein they are teaching the youngsters to laugh, because 1 साल से वो लोग गैजेट्स में है, तो they have stopped laughing. आपने देखा हमारे बच्चे सब they have online classes, they are more into gadgets, Even parents are working from home. They are also into gadgets. They are also so occupied that they are not devoting that time to the children. So what is happening? Plus, children are not able to meet their friends. So they have forgotten how to laugh. और अगर ये चीज आपने देखा, स्माइल जो होती है, as soon as you see a smiling face, smile comes on your face as well. And when you smile, your mind automatically de-stresses. जहाँ पे आप फ्राउन करते हैं, आपका दिमाग भी फ्राउन करने लगता है. आप फोर्स स्माइल, आप फोर्स कीजिए अपने स्माइल को भी. इवन फोर्स्ड स्माइल रिलैक्सेस योर माइंड, एंड इट्स अ फैक्ट. और आपकी फोर्स स्माइल होती, धीरे धीरे आपकी वो आदत बन जाएगी और वो स्माइल आपको डी स्ट्रेस करती है. सो वी नीड टू लाफ, वी नीड टू यूज ह्यूमर. आपको कोई बुक्स पढ़ने में अच्छा लगा, कोई मूवी आपको रिलैक्स कर रही है, हंसा रही है, गो फॉर इट. वो आजकल हमको वही, I was just thinking on that. This is a serious issue wherein we are teaching children to laugh because they have forgotten that thing. That means इतनी छोटी उम्र में भी उनको स्ट्रेस आने लग गया है. They have forgotten the basic things of the life. And we always, आप कभी भी घर जाइए, आप जैसे डोर खोलते हैं, आपकी वाइफ स्माइलिंग फेस से आपको वेलकम करती है, तो यू ऑल्सो फील हैप्पी. आपको वहीं पे बॉडी एकदम से रिलैक्स होने लगता है. सेम गोज फॉर अ फीमेल ऑल्सो. अगर आपके घर में आप जा रहे हो, बच्चे डोर खोल रहे हैं, फिर इवन अपना आपके हस्बैंड डोर खोल रहे हैं, एंड दे ओपन विद अ स्माइलिंग फेस, then and there a smile comes on your face and you feel a little relaxed. So this is a therapy which we should be adopting. So always keep smiling. आपने देखा होगा शेखर, सुभाष सर एंड मैं भी believe in more of smiling. So you need to learn to relax, develop regular relaxation routine, try yoga, meditation. हम कहते हैं ना, योगा जब हम कर रहे हैं तो हम गॉड से कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं. आई हैव रेड इट समवेयर. और जब हम मेडिटेशन कर रहे हैं तो गॉड हमारे साथ कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं. दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव रेड समवेयर. सो ट्राई दिस. योगा करके आप, पूजा करके, योगा करके आप गॉड से कम्युनिकेट करें. मेडिटेशन जब आप कर रहे हैं तो गॉड इज कम्युनिकेटिंग विद यू. सो ट्राई दिस सिंपल एक्टिविटी. जस्ट रिलैक्स. दिस इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. डेली रूटीन में आप नहीं रिलैक्स कर पा रहे हो तो एटलीस्ट वंस इन अ वीक ट्राई टू डू दिस. So friends, this is on the stress management. This is a very, in fact, beautiful video. I'm going to show it to you again on the stress management. And since I feel so close connection with this video because again, this is on based on the defense person. So, and this is a real life situation which we would be discussing. So just listen to this video and see this video.
आप सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हो क्या? आप लोगों ने देश में कितनी तरक्की लाई है, सब कुछ कितना एडवांस हो गया है.
थैंक्स.
आप लोगों को देख के तो मैं एकदम हैरान हो जाता हूँ. आप कंप्यूटर में अंदर कुछ कोड करते हो और बाहर दुनिया बदल जाती है.
इतना आसान नहीं है दोस्त. ये कुछ कोड का काम नहीं है. काफी मेहनत जाती है इसके पीछे. कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, काफी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड.
वाकई. इसीलिए तो आपको इतनी तनख्वाह मिलती होगी ना?
Why does everyone just sees the money in it? इसके पीछे की मेहनत कोई नहीं देखता. हम हिंदुस्तानियों की सोच ही छोटी है. Just because मैं पूरा दिन एसी ऑफिस में होता हूँ और ऑब्वियसली मुझे पसीना तो आता ही नहीं होगा, राइट? आप लोगों को ताकत यूज करनी होती है, हमें दिमाग लगाना होता है. ये बाल सफेद ऐसे ही नहीं होते. Let me give you an example. वो ECG मशीन देखो, सब कुछ कंप्यूटराइज्ड है. आपके बॉडी में क्या क्या चल रहा है सब कंप्यूटर से निकाल सकते हैं. प्लेन की, ट्रेन की, लाखों रिजर्वेशन ऑनलाइन होती है. बैंक के ट्रांजैक्शन सब एक सिंगल डेटाबेस में. डाटा इंटेग्रिटी, लॉकिंग, डाटा सिक्योरिटी. कुछ आइडिया ये सब डिजाइन करना कितना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है? और आप कह रहे कि कोडिंग करना आसान है.
आप ये सब कोड करना जानते हो?
पहले करता था, अब मैं प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर हूँ. मेरी टीम सब करती है.
ओह, तो अब काम आसान हो गया होगा.
इस फील्ड में कुछ आसान नहीं है। जितना ऊपर जाओ उतनी ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ती है, काम बढ़ता है, स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है। कोडिंग और डिजाइनिंग ये फिर भी आसान है, लेकिन अब मुझे पूरी टीम संभालनी पड़ती है। 10 लोगों को हर रोज जवाब देना होता है, क्वालिटी मेंटेन करनी होती है। 2 घंटे ईमेल ना चेक करूं तो लोग पैनिक करने लगते हैं। एक साइड से रिजल्ट का प्रेशर होता है और दूसरी साइड को कस्टमर को रिप्लाई करना होता है। रिक्वायरमेंट्स बदलती रहती है और यूजर्स को कुछ और चाहिए होता है, और आपका बॉस कभी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं रहता। दोस्त, शायद तुम्हें पता नहीं टेंशन और प्रेशर साथ में हैंडल करना कैसे होता है।
मुझे पता है सर, टेंशन और प्रेशर दोनों साथ में हैंडल किया है। 6 साल पहले की बात है। हम लगभग 30 लोग रात के 3 बजे पॉइंट 4875 को कैप्चर करने के लिए बढ़ रहे थे। दुश्मन ऊपर से फायरिंग कर रहा था। अगली गोली किसके नाम पे लिखी थी पता नहीं था। उजाले से पहले हमें वहां पहुंचना था। वक्त काफी कम था हमारे पास। होश तो तब आया जब अगले दिन हम चोटी पर तिरंगा लहरा रहे थे, और तब हम बचे 30 नहीं, 4 लोग थे। आप Subedar Sushant from 13 Jammu and Kashmir Rifles on duty at peak 4875 in Kargil. मुझे बताया गया है कि मेरी टर्म पूरी हो गई है और अब मुझे सॉफ्ट असाइनमेंट का ऑप्शन दिया जाएगा। पर आप ही बताइए सर, काम आसान करने के लिए कोई अपनी ड्यूटी छोड़ सकता है क्या? उस दिन हमारा एक जवान दोस्त बर्फ में जख्मी पड़ा था। उस पर दुश्मन की गोलियां चल रही थी। हम सब बंकर के पीछे छुपे हुए थे। उसे बचाना मेरा कर्तव्य था और मैं उसे बचाने जाने वाला था, मगर मेरे कप्तान ने मना किया और कहा कि तुम नहीं जाओगे। मैंने इस यूनिफॉर्म में सबसे पहली कसम ये ली थी कि देश की सुरक्षा के बाद मेरे आदमियों की सुरक्षा सर्वोपरि है। ये कह के वो खुद चले गए। उस जख्मी जवान को बचाते बचाते हमारे कप्तान शहीद हो गए। उस दिन से जब भी मैं बॉर्डर पर होता हूँ, उन गोलियों की आवाज और कप्तान का आखिरी चेहरा मेरे सामने आता है। वो गोलियां शायद मेरे लिए थी। टेंशन और प्रेशर दोनों के साथ काम करना जानता हूँ।
Sir, keep this on.
Yeah, sure. It was nice meeting you.
Thank you for your service.
जय हिंद।
जय हिंद।
कभी खुद की जिंदगी से शिकवा होने लगे अगर, तो एक फौजी की जिंदगी के बारे में सोचना। खुद की हर मुश्किल आसान लगेगी। जो खुद की सांसें दांव पर लगाकर पूरे देश की सांसें चलाते हैं, हर वक्त जान हथेली पर होती है, फिर भी हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहते हैं। जिन्होंने डर को भी डराया है और देश के लिए जीना क्या होता है, ये इन सरहद के पहरेदारों ने हमें सिखाया है। तो अगली बार जब कोई चुनौती तुमसे तुम्हारा सुख चैन छीनेगी, तो एक फौजी की जिंदगी के बारे में जरूर सोचना। खुद की हर मुश्किल आसान लगेगी।
Okay, Mr. Praveen Kumar is not able to get the video because it's in Hindi. Okay, next time we'll consider this. This is about Captain Vikram Batra. I think most of you must have heard about 1998 in Kargil War, wherein a lot of, in fact, to be very frank, why I say this Kargil war is, I mean, I relate myself with this because my dad was posted in Western Air Command that time, Delhi. Dhola Kuan, and we were there that time, and we hardly saw my dad also at home that time because he was mostly, they were sending the supplies to Kargil those time, and he was he took his all clothes and everything, and he was staying in office because they were the back-end team which was sending the supplies to Kargil that time. So that was a time where we used to be, hooked on to the TV and used to watch updates on the Kargil war. So friends, I hope you, I know this video was in Hindi, but then the message behind this video was just if you really want to think about how tough your life is, how difficult your life is, be in the shoes of these army personnel. Those who are living every day in the, tension and stress, but still they are accepting all the stress, or must say challenges in us while smiling. And we all, in fact, on WhatsApp also, I see after 2 to 3 weeks, I see some updates on Captain Vikram Batra. We do get this forwards every time. And though he was just a son of educators, his parents were teachers in Uttarakhand, isn't it? So this is what we are trying to tell you through this video. Why to stress on minor things when you can take it up as a challenge and solve the problem. Again, मैं वही बोलूँगी कि आपको worry क्यों करना है, जब आपको सिर्फ ये, you should have that wisdom, that intelligence, that you will to accept those things which you will not be able to change. जो आपके हाथ में नहीं है situation, उसके लिए आपको stress out क्यों होना है, और जो आपके हाथ में है चीजें उसको तो फिर आपको करना ही है ना, तो उसके लिए भी स्ट्रेस क्यों करना है? You know the solutions, and when you have the solutions, why you have to worry? Yeah. So friends, any questions? So we'll take up the questions. If you have any doubts or you would like to discuss something on this video, we would love to discuss with you.